when your inbox turns into chaos.
You cannot keep up.
Then, AI takes over.
Managing Instagram DMs manually, you're missing leads, losing time, and your inbox like a chaos. So I built this automation in n8n that manage Instagram DMs. It read messages, understand the intent, and replies naturally, whether it's text or voice. Here's how it works. When someone message your Instagram, this webhook capture it instantly. And if it is text, it goes through this pipeline and it's powered by Gemini, generating a natural reply. If it is a voice note, it will transcribe and then apply it to as if you personally respond. Like it will generate an audio, then it will send it to the user. So it even generates voice responses back if you want full audio conversations. And this kind of workflow saves hours of manual replying, and you can use it for customer support DMs, client inquiries, social media agency that are managing a lot of brands, and it never sleeps. So that is the benefit of main benefit of this workflow. If you manage DMs or run brand that get lot of messages, I can set this up for you or customize it for your need. And while you're focusing on your growth, let the AI handle to its small talks.